Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to manage sound settings on OPPO A92 or another Android version, mobile version. So all you have to do right now is open the settings button or settings feature or option in your phone on your phones and try to search the sound setting by search here. As you can see, there are some sounds that you can tap in. So this is, for example, sound and vibration. Here the first option that you can try to vibrate on ring, vibrate on silence. You can adjust volume, and also you can set your ringtone here by default, or you can select from files, notification sound, message sound. And if you have this feature, real sound technology, you can try to adjust. There is smart movie, game, and music. Choose by your own preferences. And the other settings here, this is the default recorder, in-ear monitoring. So try this on. To preset vibration, voice changing, and equalizer effect will be included in recorded audio. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click this button below. See you in the next video.